Welcome to Be Easy with Breezy. I am Bree. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so grateful that you're here again. Thank you so much. I'm out here walking around in the yard, uh, walking a dog at the moment, and I figured I would talk to you about what I am doing today. So today I've been working on some children's baskets. These are my first small toy baskets. Well, one of them is not so small. So I'm going to give you a visual and explain what's going on in those. And hopefully you can give me a few ideas to help me out and bring it along. Okay? So, thank you. I will talk to you soon. These are my first toy baskets. This is the beginning of the concepts. I may be adding more to some of them. That is my Gabby dollhouse. And I'm trying to move real slow, y'all. I'm terrible with this. This is my Coco Melon. And again, this is just the beginning of the concepts. Okay? This is gonna be Barbie. Okay? And this is the LOL. Alright. Make sure you get a good view here of all the things I have so far in each of my toy sets. Okay. And that's Barbie. Coco Melon. And Gabby's dollhouse. Okay, still working on them, guys. Still working on them. So let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.